You're listening to Mentoring Developers. Do you promote yourself? Do you think it's important for new developers to promote themselves?
I've become kind of a joke with my self-promotion. So I have stickers, I have mugs, I have t-shirts, I have cups, but those are kind of like gimmicky, joking things. But I spend a lot of my time on Twitter. I'm involved with a lot of different internal portals, so client portals, so some of the clients that I work with, as well as the company I work with. Most companies have some kind of internal or intranet that we can be communicating. I make myself really active in those, because it's an opportunity for me to learn, but an opportunity for me to help out other people. And that's really how I do my self-promotion, is through these different social networks. I mentioned earlier some Facebook groups, very active in that. But I go to conferences and I like to meet people. So a lot of networking. I usually am carrying around business cards. So, that still works. But I just try to be nice and try to meet as many people, go to conferences, active in social groups. And if I'm speaking at a conference or some kind of event, I always tell people, reach out to me. And I stay true to that. I always will make time for people, even though I'm busy. I'll grab coffee. And I believe in that rule, like you meet one person and then they're connected to 9 people. So if I can meet 5 new people this week, I've maybe met 45 new people at the end of the week. So it's just, I love meeting people, and that's really how I promote and social.
Yeah, I like your relentlessness. I think if you keep doing what you're doing and keep doing it, and you do it without fail, then there's no way that you will not get where you need to be. Because perseverance, I think that's the key here.
Yeah, but I mean, there's jokes about me in like all the self-promotion that I do, but I'm really not necessarily even just doing all this for myself. There's different organizations that I'm a part of that I want to promote, and a lot of my networking is involved to outreach to different organizations and people, and really helping out the community, especially the people here in Columbus, because I really believe in the city of Columbus. It's we're too early to say that we're a tech hub, and I kind of always giggle when I hear people refer to Columbus as a tech hub. Maybe someday we'll be there, but we're far away from it. And my involvement with different organizations and even meeting people, it's about how we can grow this city and to really make something really awesome. So community developers and designers that work well, even if we're competitors or our skill sets don't align, we have something in common, and even if that common goal is just growing this city.
Thank you so much for listening.
For show notes and transcripts, visit us at mentoringdevelopers.com.